from Öland, Sweden. Today is our last day on the island before we head back to the mainland, but today is going to be filled with exploring castles and beaches, so let's head out there. Here we have our morning setup by the beach. We're all alone. There's also a sailing boat here who's docked for the night, and we have also a big yacht out there as well. Okay, so let's feel the water and see if it's... Oh, there was a dead fish. Nice. See if... Oh, it's quite refreshing cold. The water is so clear. So nice. It is very, very shallow here, so it will take me a while to get to a swimmable spot. But there are loads of small fishes here. It's definitely colder than yesterday. 3 hours later, I'm still walking towards, and now it's going uphill again, so it'll take some time to actually be able to swim. Okay, now I'm almost reached the waist. It's quite cold, so let's swim.
We keep riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go.
After a relaxing morning by the beach, we have made it into Bornholm, which is one of the larger cities or towns here on Öland. You have it behind me here, the harbor, and also, if you can see there, we have the big medieval fortress called Borgholm slot or Borgholm's Castle, and we're going to head up there now and get a bit closer to it. Behind me here in the distance you see Borgholm Castle, which is a castle from the medieval times. It was built in the late 13th century, and it's been fought over during history, and it's belonged both to the Swedes and the Danes. Today it is also a place where big concerts are held. You can see it in Roxette's music video Listen to Your Heart, if you know of them. And yeah, you can actually go inside. I believe it costs 100 kroner for adults to look around the castle and explore. But yeah, here you have this majestic structure. The summer residence of the Swedish royal family is located here on Öland, and it is called Solliden. It costs about 125 kroner for adults to enter, and you get access to the grounds and the gardens. You're also able to take a small tractor that will take you around the property, so we're heading there now. As I mentioned, normally you're able to take a small tractor around the grounds, but due to the current state of the world, that is not running. So you instead can walk around the gardens, but that's just nice, and we're soon approaching the castle. And here it is, the Solliden Castle. We have the Solliden Castle behind me here, the summer residence for the Swedish royal family. It was built for Queen Victoria and was finished in 1906. She had some troubles with her lungs, so she went to Öland to get some fresh air, and she said it was the first time that she could breathe easily. And on the other side here we have the house which was used for the staff to begin with, but after a few years it actually became the playhouse for some of the royal children. And as you can see, the royal midsummer pole is still up since last weekend's midsummer celebrations. And also actually some of the royals are here right now because there's a road that's closed off towards the greenhouses, which you usually can visit, but right now that road is closed off and there are security and police there guarding the property. So they have a smaller house on the back of the gardens where they usually actually stay and live in, and then you know they have the big castle up front, which maybe is used for more formal events and stuff like that. But yeah, so we can't visit that at the moment because they're actually here on vacation. Up here we have the royal tennis courts. The door is open. Someone might have used it very recently. But I definitely must say that I am very pleasantly surprised by these gardens. They're so beautiful and there's so many beautiful, colorful flowers filled everywhere. So yeah, the gardens are totally worth the visit. After visiting the castle, we worked up an appetite and we are currently at Kaffetorpet, which is a small little cafe and restaurant right by the castle. And we are taking into some lunch now, some summer salads, so let's eat. We have now crossed the bridge over to the mainland. We have ended up in Kalmar by another castle, Kalmar Castle, and in the distance over there you have Öland. So it's been a lovely weekend and I'll see you next time.